Struggling to find the perfect spot to park your RV for the night? You're not alone. While Walmart has long been a popular go-to, there are far better alternatives out there that offer more comfort, amenities, and stunning views. In this video, we're unveiling overnight spots that will make you forget about Walmart entirely. And stick around because later in the video, we'll reveal a hidden gem that could change the way you think about overnight RV stays. More than just comfort food, Cracker Barrel offers a cozy haven for RVers. Pull into their welcoming parking lots where the aroma of home-style cooking mingles with the promise of a peaceful night's rest. Many Cracker Barrel locations embrace overnight RV stays, creating a friendly atmosphere that feels like a home away from home. What sets Cracker Barrel apart is their understanding of RV travelers' needs. Most locations offer dedicated RV parking areas with level ground, making it easy to settle in for the night. The best part? You're just steps away from a hearty breakfast to kickstart your travel day. Enjoy their famous pancakes, country fried steak, or biscuits and gravy before hitting the road. Keep in mind that while many Cracker Barrel locations allow overnight stays, it's always best to call ahead and confirm. Some urban locations may have restrictions due to local ordinances. Pro tip: if you're staying overnight, consider purchasing a meal or some items from their country store just as a courtesy. Now, say goodbye to the ordinary and hello to the extraordinary. Harvest hosts open doors to a world of unique overnight experiences. Picture yourself waking up to rows of sun-kissed grapes at a family-owned winery, or stepping out of your RV to greet farm animals at dawn. With stays at wineries, farms, and museums across the country, each night becomes an adventure in local flavor and culture. Harvest Hosts operates on a membership model, but the annual fee quickly pays for itself in unique experiences and saved camping fees. Members gain access to over 3,000 hosts across North America, including farms, wineries, breweries, museums, and even golf courses. Each stay is a chance to support local businesses and learn about different industries. You might find yourself chatting with a vintner about the winemaking process, learning about the sustainable farming practices there, or getting a private tour of a unique museum after hours. While stays are typically limited to one night, the memories you'll make will last a lifetime. Remember, Harvest Host locations typically don't offer hookups, so make sure your RV is self-contained. Now, outdoor enthusiasts, rejoice! Cabellas isn't just a shopping destination, it's an RV oasis. Their spacious parking lots often feature designated RV areas, providing a safe and convenient stopover. Surrounded by the spirit of outdoor adventure, you'll feel right at home. See, Cabellas understands the RV lifestyle, and it shows in their accommodations. Many locations offer dedicated RV parking areas that are well lit and level, perfect for a good night's sleep. Some even provide dump stations and freshwater fill-ups, making it easy to manage your RV's systems. During your stay, make sure you take advantage of the store's amenities. Stock up on camping supplies, outdoor gear, or even local specialty foods. No sponsorship, we just like them. Many Cabellas feature impressive wildlife displays and aquariums, offering a mini museum experience right in the store. While overnight parking is generally allowed, it's always a good idea to check with the store manager upon arrival. Following in Cabela's footsteps, Bass Pro Shops also roll out the welcome mat for RVers. Their large parking areas offer ample space for even the biggest rigs. The outdoor-themed surroundings create a perfect backdrop for your overnight stay. It's like camping in the great outdoors with the added perks of nearby amenities and a tackle shop right at your doorstep. Bass Pro Shops often feature similar amenities to Cabela's, including designated RV parking areas, dump stations, and freshwater fill-ups at some locations. What sets them apart are their massive stores, often designed to mimic natural environments. You might find yourself parked next to a man-made lake or under the watchful eyes of taxidermied wildlife. Now, remember to take time to explore the store during your stay. Many Bass Pro Shops feature indoor waterfalls, aquariums, and even bowling alleys or restaurants. It's more than just a place to park, it's an experience in itself. As with Cabellas, it's courteous to check in with the store management upon arrival. So put that on your to-do list before you arrive. Next, don't overlook these roadside gems. Many states have transformed their rest areas into RV-friendly havens. With designated RV parking, these spots offer a safe and convenient place to catch some Z's. Clean facilities, picnic areas, and sometimes even Wi-Fi make these stops more than just a place to rest. They're a traveler's oasis on the long stretches of highway. Rest areas have come a long way from simple bathroom stops. Many now feature walking trails, pet areas, and informational kiosks about local attractions. Some even have 24-hour security, providing peace of mind for overnight stays. While amenities vary by state and location, you can generally expect clean restrooms, vending machines, and picnic areas. Some rest areas in RV-heavy states like Florida and Texas offer dump stations and fresh water fill-ups. Keep in mind that rules for overnight stays vary by state and even by individual rest area. Some allow 8-hour stays, others permit up to 24 hours. Always check the posted rules upon arrival. For those seeking wide open spaces and starry skies, Bureau of Land Management areas are a dream come true. These public lands offer free or low-costing camping options in some of the most scenic parts of the country. From desert vistas to mountain panoramas, BLM lands provide an unparalleled opportunity to immerse yourself in nature's beauty. BLM camping, often referred to as boondocking or dispersed camping, allows you to stay in undeveloped areas for up to 14 days in most locations. We have some other videos on boondocking, so check our channel out for more of those. Now, back to the BLM lands. Camping with BLM or boondocking means no hookups, no designated sites, and often no neighbors for miles around. It's the ultimate freedom for self-sufficient RVers. While the lack of amenities might seem daunting, the trade-off is absolute tranquility and some of the most breathtaking views you'll ever wake up to. Imagine watching the sun rise over red rock formations in Utah or falling asleep to the sound of waves on a secluded beach in Oregon. Before venturing onto BLM land, make sure your RV is properly equipped for boondocking. This means having enough fresh water, a way to manage your waste, and a power source, solar panels or a generator, and also familiarize yourself with leave no trace principles to help preserve these beautiful areas for future visitors. Venture into the heart of America's natural treasures with dispersed camping in national forests. These spots offer peace, tranquility, and a chance to truly disconnect. Wake up to birdsong, spend your day hiking through pristine wilderness, and fall asleep under a canopy of stars. It's raw, it's beautiful, and it's an experience every RVer should have. Like BLM land, many national forests allow dispersed camping, typically limited to 14 days in a 30-day period. What sets national forests apart, though, is the sheer variety of environments and activities available. You might find yourself parked beside a crystal-clear mountain stream, perfect for fly fishing, or in a grove of towering sequoias. Many forests offer extensive trail systems for hiking, mountain biking, or horseback riding. Before setting up camp, check with the local ranger station for any fire restrictions, wildlife advisories, or area closures. They can also provide valuable information on the best spots to camp and local attractions you won't want to miss. Now, who says overnight stays can't be exciting? Many casinos offer free or low-cost RV parking, adding a dash of entertainment to your journey. Try your luck at the tables, enjoy a show, or simply relax in the comfort of your RV. With well-lit, secure parking areas and often 24/7 security, casino stops combine convenience with a touch of glamour. Casino camping isn't just about the gambling, though. It's about the full resort experience. Many casino RV parks offer full hookups, Wi-Fi, and access to hotel amenities like pools, hot tubs, and fitness centers. Some even have dedicated RV guest services, making your stay as comfortable as possible. The real draw, of course, is the entertainment. Spend your evening enjoying world-class shows, trying your luck at the slots, or indulging in gourmet dining. Many casinos offer Players Club cards, which can earn you discounts on meals, shows, and even sometimes free nights of RV parking. Remember, while many casinos welcome overnight RV stays, policies can vary. Always check in with the security or guest services upon arrival to understand any specific rules or time limits. And as always, gamble responsibly and within your means. Next, local fairgrounds are hidden gems in the RV community. Often overlooked, these spacious venues frequently allow overnight RV stays, especially when events aren't in session. You'll find level ground, always important, sometimes hookups, and often a slice of local culture. It's a chance to explore small-town America and maybe even catch a local event if your timing is right. Fairgrounds offer a unique camping experience that can vary widely depending on the location and the time of year. During the off-season, you might have the entire grounds to yourself with acres of open space to enjoy. Many fairgrounds offer basic amenities like water and electric hookups, and some even have dump stations. The real magic happens, however, if you time your visit with a local event. Country fairs, livestock shows, craft markets, and food festivals are just a few of the events you might encounter. It's a chance to immerse yourself in local culture, try regional specialties, and meet friendly locals. Rates for fairground camping are often very reasonable, making it a budget-friendly option. However, availability can be limited, especially during peak event seasons. It's always best to call ahead and reserve a spot if possible. Now, places like Pilot and Flying J have upped their game for RVers. With designated RV parking areas and a host of amenities, these aren't your average pit stops. Enjoy hot showers, laundry facilities, and often full hookups. It's like a mini campground with the added convenience of 24/7 services, fuel, and supplies right at your fingertips. Modern truck stops are a far cry from the basic rest stops of yesteryear. Many now offer dedicated RV lanes for fuel, making it easy to fill up even the largest rigs. Inside, you'll find everything from quick service restaurants to small groceries, ensuring you can stock up on supplies no matter the hour. One of the biggest perks of truck stop stays is in the shower facilities. For a small fee, you can enjoy a private, clean shower room, a luxury when you've been on the road for a while. Laundry facilities are also common. While truck stops can be convenient, they're not always the quietest places to spend the night, however. Consider packing earplugs if you're a light sleeper. No joke. And always be mindful of long-haul truckers. Avoid taking up truck parking spaces and be respectful of their need for rest too. Urban camping takes on a new meaning at RV-friendly city parks. These green oases in the midst of bustling towns offer a unique blend of nature and convenience. Many provide overnight RV stays along with recreational facilities. It's a perfect way to explore a new city, enjoy local parks, and have a safe place to park your home on wheels. City park camping varies widely from one location to another. Some offer full-service RV sites with hookups, while others may simply allow overnight parking in designated areas. The real draw is the location. You're often just minutes away from downtown areas, local attractions, and public transportation. Many city parks offer recreational facilities like tennis courts, swimming pools, or walking trails. It's a great way to stay active on your travels. Some even host community events or concerts, giving you a chance to mingle with locals and experience the city's culture. Before planning a stay, check the park's website or call the city's parks department. Some cities require advance reservations or permits for RV camping. Also, be prepared for potential restrictions on generator use or quiet hours, as these parks are often in residential areas. Now, for a dose of local flavor and natural beauty, state parks are hard to beat. From coast to coast, these parks offer some of the most scenic RV camping options available. Whether you're looking for beachfront views, mountain vistas, or forest retreats, state parks provide well-maintained facilities often at a fraction of the cost of private campgrounds. State parks are like the hidden treasures of the camping world. They often feature the natural beauty of national parks, but with more amenities and fewer crowds. Many offer full hookup sites, modern restrooms and shower facilities, and well-maintained camping areas. One of the best aspects of state park camping is the variety of activities available. Depending on the park, you might find yourself hiking to waterfalls, kayaking on serene lakes, or learning about the local history at interpretive centers. Many parks offer ranger-led programs as well, giving you insight into the local ecosystem and history. Now, reservations are often necessary, especially during peak seasons in national parks. Many states have centralized reservation systems, however, making it easy to plan your stays across multiple parks. Keep an eye out for state park passes, which can offer significant savings if you plan to visit multiple parks in a state. And in a testament to community spirit, let's move on to churches. Now, some churches open their parking lots to RV travelers. Did you know that? These stays offer more than just a place to rest. They provide a quiet, safe environment, often in the heart of local communities. It's a chance to experience small-town hospitality and perhaps even join in local gatherings if you're so inclined. Every RVer has different needs, and what works for one might not be the best fit for another. As you plan your next adventure, think about what you value most in your overnight spots. What challenges do you encounter the most on the road? Focusing on those will help you find the perfect spots to make your trip smoother and more enjoyable. Hey, if you're ready for more great tips like discovering hidden gems and must-know advice for RV life, check out this video here.